Pwede mga bagong pwede mabili.
Look, I read you. That's just all requisitions come with free cornbread. I got an assload piled in the back. Nobody eats that shit.
You know what I think it's because the smart ones figure out how Rodriguez Cynthia kept running the company's experiments after the outbreak at Pala Station. Marched her army down into those ruins and used Hanukkah at the chin on shit. Before you took out Cynthia, she issued contingency orders to her sense. Now, Endeavor's do all kinds of weird shit. Grabbing, turning itself off, gamma ray bursts. Whatever she did, it probably ain't good for us. I want your fire team back dirt side. Find what's causing the anomalies. And it's briefing you need.
Cynthia, Chief Rodriguez, was a mother computer mainframe designed to administrate Pala Station. She used wireless near fields, control security and labor systems, every synthetic you've seen, the surface and aboard. Controlled by Cynthia. One hand doing as you wish.
Nakatayo na kayo. Anong... Ay, pinag-edit na kayo.
Nag-edit ako.
Nag-edit ka ako, wait lang.
Ang ganda ba ng sound na yun?
All requisitions come with free cornbread. I got an assload piled in the back. Nobody eats that shit. Big about chatting up the customer. Anyone asks. Didn't get it. Look, tell her anything not on the racks, I can pull out of cargo for.
Okay, wait, astig pala to. Wait lang, nagagawa ko lang mga build.
Oh, build.
Kaya kailangan low cooldown build. Tama, makikipag-usap muna ako sa mga tao ah.
Sige lang.
Sige, thanks.
More complex than I hate a risk. Say, Mark wants a chance for that. The smart ones how we try. Running the company's experiments, the outbreak of conversation, marched her army down. General shit.
You got a Wayland Utah. Is it legal? I mean, if it's illegal, I can get no problem. But if it's legal, I'll need you to file requisition form 1348 or 1348 minor. You can grab those off just then.
Well, never figured we'd be fighting robots. One or two? Yeah, that happens. The more complex the scent, the higher the risk. They say it's because the smart ones have more code, more chance of an error someplace. You wanna know what I think? I think it's because the smart ones figure out how we treat them. Rodriguez, Cynthia, kept running the company's experiments after the outbreak at Pala Station. Marched her army down into those ruins and used Honecker's pathogen on shit. Before you took out Cynthia, she issued contingency orders to her sense. Now, Endeavor's seeing all kinds of weird shit deeper in the ruins. Gravity turning itself off, gamma ray bursts. Whatever she did, it probably ain't good for us. I want your fire team back dirt side. Find what's causing the anomaly. If it's a problem, handle it.
You scanned a badge for Cynthia Rodriguez. May I have a copy? Corporate IDs contain a personnel file. We know Rodriguez was a cover identity for a synthetic controlled by Pala Station's mother computer, Cynthia. Her employee record is a cover story crafted by Weyland-Yutani's IT division. It claims Rodriguez served in the Colonial Marines and achieved the rank of colonel. Checking. Records in our own systems corroborate. I'm getting a full service record. Scans of handwritten commendations from her notional superiors,
Richard Chad
even
Arizona.
fitness reports.
Chad Arishoko.
This is very thorough forgery. We're impressed. To inject false records into personnel command databases, the Rodriguez cover identity must have been initially crafted before the Frontier War. Weyland-Yutani no longer has such access.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, no. No, no, no.
Okay na ako.
Natapos na tayo yan. Parang mundo.
When we took out Cynthia, she triggered something, some contingency plan by Weyland-Yutani. Now Esther's seeing gravity and power distortions under the surface of LV-895. You're going back into the ruins to find the source. Fire team, we need to locate the anomaly. I got Esther and Doc Honecker on the line for assist.
Just speaking to this. Okay. Hello.
The gravity distortions are increasing. I recommend haste.
Uy, ETL.
Tayo, meron pala dyan.
Oh, kailangan ba completionist explorer ba? Before ka mag-move sa next, kailangan magtingin-tingin.
Yung kapangit na.
Found some intel.
Kaya, yung kapangit na.
Ito kasi kayo nagpunta ka agad doon.
Mali pa namin.
Wait.
Wait, may mga ibang tao din dito. Mag-fight kayo, man. Hindi sila nagpa-fight. Hindi sila pinatak ng mga alien. Cheating. Okay, not.
Yeah, therefore the...
How many Xenos did Cynthia breed down here? Mierda!
Grubs, may ano?
I know.
Yeah, mas matagal na yung duration ng box ko. Tsaka mas mabilis ka na yung cooldown eh.
From the entry!
Okay, saan yun? Mga grub. May nakikita akong grub. Saan? I mean
Sa likod. Sa likod daw yun.
What?
Daw.
What am I looking at here? Who built this?
May pa-takeover probably may shit na lalabas.
Ay,
Might we
nasa
investigate?
sila, men.
If you're quick, weird gravity shit, remember?
A synthetic. Perhaps I can recover its final directives.
Grab the drives.
Second directive.
Prime directive.
Another swarm from behind!
Yung, pinig nila, tingin natin, pinig mo natin, ang mga signal ng business naman.
Xenos rogue! Nail it fast!
Hey, boss fight! May warrior, man! Getting away! Got away! Peter, you missed!
Eh! Sumabog siya.
You missed!
Start na ako mabusan ng bala ah.
Ako rin eh.
Ayun, my way.
Kaya nag-shotgun na ako bigla eh. Ouch! Saan yung horror? Saan tayo?
Ay! Sa likod!
Ano nangyari?
Boss.
Taas! Di pa palaglag sila.
Hindi mo
Before she perished, Cynthia had her forces scan carvings throughout the complex.
What for? Can you read them?
Not without the transliteration to begin from.
Take our gunner, research. Hey, grow kid!
Ay!
Nagpalaglag siya sa likod mo.
Yan, horror team.
Tayo, kala ko doon sa street yung way.
Sana. Ay, nag-blink si Gini sa loob. Ano yan? I heard something.
Sa likod, sa likod, sa likod.
Eh, may si Gini, machine pistol.
The wall.
May medkit.
More carvings.
Oy, help!
Drop
Hindi ko siya nakita.
scanner for us. She can work on a translation later.
Sumabog.
Meron ako buffs din sa shotgun ko na kapag na-headshot may 25% chance na mag-burst nga daw eh.
Wait, mag-heal kayo, men.
Alright, Apex. Patch and go.
Wait. Wag mo na, wait. Wala, nag-isip ako.
Magkakaroon ba ng mga pangit?
Hindi ako sure, wait.
Hindi. Gawin mo natin mission pag-aalis na dun sa area tsaka hindi. Ito, Magkakaroon ng mga pangit dito.
Huwag mo muna gamitin.
Mahil lang muna.
Hindi, kasi sayang eh.
Ano, naiintindihan ko na. Naiintindihan ko rin yung tinatry mo gawin.
Mahil muna para kaya pag mamaya magkuha. At least, ano.
Full ulit.
Full ulit. Nagigits na yun.
Oo, alam ko yun.
Naiintindihan ko yun.
Meron kasi nakaraan na sayang eh. Kasi nagkuha ko na yung mga tao bigla.
Hindi pa na natin alam yung powers eh. Game na din. Wait lang, mag-set up muna tayo. Magkakaroon daw ng mga grubs.
Parang kaya ko gamitin yung consumable kasi parang kaya.
Ako, okay na ako.
Ako hindi naman na siguro magamit yung best.
Ako gagamit kasi gusto ko.
Sige.
Tsaka
Puro
kapag natalo tayo, hindi ko kasalanan.
Puro amo lang naman din kasi hawak ko eh.
I fear there are no patterns I can match.
Movement incoming!
Here they come. Get ready.
Pissed him off somehow.
Sumabog!
Hey!
Tsaka meron akong mods na short control burst for maximum effect. Sa taas, men!
Alam mo?
Ouch! Nakalapit yung pangit!
Prowler. Sumabog siya.
Sumabog siya!
May isa pa.
May bomb na!
Kain mo.
Hey, sa side, men! Alright, again! Jesus, the Beatles messing me up! Sumabog sila!
Another wave of signals. Hold fast!
Wow.
Ouch! Ba't tumatalon sila? Sa side, men!
Wala.
Sumabog sila!
Sabay, isa na mo.
Warrior on the deck!
Fire!
Sadya!
Keep rolling! Fire!
Ah!
Keep rolling! Fire!
Ay, get him off me!
Tatay, bakit hindi alam mo nila
No more signals. Get moving.
Okay, I need more bullets.
Inis mo.
Kailangan keep rolling! Fire!
Ay, Kerr, mag-heal tayong dalawa. Kunin natin
Okay, dalawa mag-heal.
Okidoki.
Kasi ako na yung most careful teammate.
Hindi, man.
Yan.
Charge head first, think later.
So, kailangan gamitin ko yung powers na rate of fire kapag may boss fight eh.
Oo,
Tapos
tsaka,
ako tayo for concentrating firepower lang sa kanya eh.
tsaka gamitan ng machine gun, no?
The exit
Saka
is sealed
keep
by
rolling!
wayland devices.
Fire!
A moment, please.
Dali. Wala pa sa atin nag-emote. May emote daw dito eh, pero hindi ko lang kung paano.
Meron nga. Number 5.
Number 5?
Oo. Sumabog!
Yan, na-stun sila.
Sa apoy. Basta sila sa apoy.
Tayo nalaglag sila.
How did they get human tech to work with this door?
Wait. Kuha muna tayo ng ammo ulit.
Clearly, Wayland Yutani
I need more
studied this
bullets.
complex for years. Long before you arrived, Doctor.
Bullets, king, bullets.
Intense to, kaya kailangan magkuha ng ammo. Okay, game na?
Meron bang
Wait
mod?
lang.
Meron bang mod nitong game na to, Ken?
Wala.
Sige, game. Diba, magkakaroon ng mga pangit.
Hindi yata, sa tingin ko hindi.
Looks clear. Keep moving.
first.
Ako mauna.
Grubs!
Kasi nga mga tao, para mas nag-enjoy nga daw sila sa Dark Descent compare mo sa Isolation nga daw.
Sergeant,
I mean,
Ako definitely yung
ano,
gusto ko.
carvings is
obviously,
related to the
Ken.
anomaly.
may iba silang ginagawa.
Fire team, scan
Hindi
the
crouch
carvings
lang.
fast and be
Wait,
ready for
sorry, mga
boss.
boss. Ilalagay ko na.
Sige,
Lagay mo na.
Isang corner lang yata dapat tayo.
There is a commonality, a sequence shared with the first set.
Hindi,
Xenos got riled again!
Ouch! Sinuntok ako sa likod.
Atras kaya. Kami bakit eh. Atras dito, men.
Ambush to rear!
Likod. Balik naman.
Nice, Peter. Ano yung boss mo, Kid?
Ano, papalaki daw eh. Sa'yo
Boss, umaway.
Pero mas nastigil sa'yo. O sa akin, di ko gagawin nararamdaman yung mga daw.
Fast, man. Okay, you're getting it.
Ah! Tinatama lang yung Gerwin ito.
My bad.
Kailangan sulit na shotgun.
Likod ninyo, likod ninyo.
Don't try to kill me.
Secure. Resume your advance.
Ba't kailangan patayin sila lahat?
Heard of
Di ba pwede
Elizabeth
mag-advance
Shaw, Charlie
ako?
Holloway. They claimed life on Earth was seeded
my
for
God.
another race.
Ayan.
Tama ako sa pinili.
Them on conspiracies.
Pero bigla eh.
Papers have been out of print for a century. A cautionary tale in my field.
Yan na, may ano. Ito yung ano, yung ano eh. Yung
There is a
Prometheus
magnetic
yun eh.
anomaly nearby. Might you
Yan
investigate?
yung part yata na may mga alien bodybuilder eh.
Yung alien body
Fine,
builder.
last one. Then we focus on the big anomaly.
Diba, kaya niya muna. Ay, wala.
Kaya wala.
Wala kahit. Wait, saan tayo nanggaling?
Dito.
Pero may pataas dito. Hoy, Rob!
Siya tayo
Oh,
nagaling.
Hindi.
Wala kahit ano dun.
Wala? Sure ka?
Wala.
Wala.
Oh, sure ako. Gusto mo puntahan?
Wala.
Pinunta mo.
Pinunta ko, wala talaga. Parang sa Guardians lang eh.
Alien bodybuilder, Ken.
Oo, alien bodybuilder yan,
Fast
man.
load of carvings. Get scanning, fire team.
Those jars.
Diba, nag-deploy na ako na isa.
Ano
I
si
have
Minion?
logged a number of
Magdedef
characters.
tayo.
We still require a key to translate them.
Eyes up!
Tayo may mga.
Robs! Pick it up, guys! Wait, saan nanggaling yun? May horror!
Kaya patay niya!
Take him out.
Na-stun siya ng grenade ko!
Tay, perfect timing yun ah.
Okay! Napain yung healing! May makapakit sa likod! Wala pa ako nagdedef sa likod natin! John si Kerwin!
Ayan, balik lang.
Mas mabagal yung fire rate niya, Ker.
Oh, pero mas malakas yung punch.
The jars. That's what the pathogen came stored in.
Pathogen.
The experiments we ran, the mutations, all from those. But there's so few.
Grub!
And empty. Where are the rest?
Intense reloading sounds.
Ah, wait. Saan may ammo?
Doon sa labas. May pangit sa harapan mo.
Wala bala.
I need more bullets.
Grabbing ammo.
Bullets, I need more bullets.
You seem to have entered a different section.
O, anong tawag mo dyan sa hologram? Yung alien bodybuilder yan eh.
Xeno spitters, keep moving.
Ouch! Saan ang galing yun? Super lapit na siya bigla. Ouch! Patayin yun!
Oy, natatrap ako dito. Tayo dito, tumabi kayo dyan, men.
Hindi na ako yung most careful teammate at namaan ako.
Buti pa ako, walang pakialam. Bakit doon, bakit doon?
Talagang natin, no?
Talagang mo kayo, okay, nagdaan ako kay Carmen. Run!
Tay, ano, dito mo makikita kanya inspiration kay HR Geiger eh.
Oh, siya po rin ito talaga yung nagawa dyan.
Oo.
Esther, what are the
Ay,
big
patuloy sa kabila!
intestinal
Wait,
tracts?
patuloy sa
Balik
kabila!
doon, balik doon, balik down!
May ice! Masastig sa kabila.
Alien. We can't make any assumptions.
Prowler.
May prowler daw may prowler. Sabi ng character natin pero hindi ko alam. Ayan mo yun?
Napaklik ko, mali. Nasayang yung powers ko.
Ayan, okay.
Okay lang yan, 40 seconds yung cooldown.
Hinahabol tayo sa likod.
Patayin yun!
The far platform. There's Wayland equipment around it.
Clear the box, fire team.
Hindi, okay lang pala.
Sumabog sila!
The door head's sealed.
Perhaps examine the object ahead.
Tama, mamaya na ako mag-healing.
Bullets!
Ay, tayo, Grub!
Wayland Yutani
Tayan.
is interfaced with
Sa likod mo,
a
sa likod mo!
Oh!
non-human instrumentality.
Could control the doors. Fire team, rig a connection for Esther.
Wait lang. Set up.
Sentry's ready to go.
Yan na. Game.
Wala, lagay-lagay ng bala.
Time to bring the pain.
Game na ako ah.
Okay na ako.
Ako, okay na.
Accessing the Wayland Yutani translation
Check them out.
matrix.
Let's rock.
Ako, ammo lang.
There is a remarkable amount of data here. Stand
Grub! Oy! Taas!
You sick. Watch it just
Tayo!
Mali!
Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Basta may malaking tayo, may malaking tayo. Ano yan?
Ay, tayo!
Yung ano? Ano yan? Pampabilis?
Wala akong power set!
Come on, shoot that big mother, go! I need more bullets!
Wait up!
Grenade!
Tayo ninyo! Oy!
Patay siya! Mali, napaklik na naman. Oh, may bakit naman din.
Tayo, ngayon lang nagkaroon yung pampabilis. Mas masaya kanina eh.
Hindi ako kasama naman yun. Ay,
Nagamit
power!
nila yung powers eh.
The door
Ay,
can be opened
get off
from
me!
this console,
Get off me!
but it requires a series of commands.
Ayun, patay siya, Sig.
I am attempting
Oh, kamatis na ako, help.
requirements.
Dapat dito. Nakaka-kill na kayo kung may time.
Kailangan na mag-medkit. Dito, mag-medkit mo na ako.
Sige.
Get him off him!
Kuha ka ng medkit para mag-hit. Magkaroon yung healing ko ulit.
Dapat ba, di ko makuha. Baka gusto magkuha eh. Kasi isang pindot lang yun.
Diyan, diyan!
Bullet!
Mike, bro!
Patay yan!
Tayo ka!
Ito siya!
Ayun siya!
Umalis siya.
Giveaway! Sabi, isa pang pakit ulit! Yung Big Mother!
Ah!
Ah! Nasukaan!
Right!
Oy, sa akin naman.
Ang dami boss fight, man!
Oh, crap!
Oy, ganun, oy. Dahil ito.
Ay, di healing! Wait lang!
Nasasana tayo!
Wait, gamit ng ano! Mag-clutch kayo ng item!
Wala akong item.
Sila power! Ouch! Kumatis na ako, men! Mag-healing ulit ako! Okay! Sinusunod ako!
Ah,
Ouch! No, crap! Ay!
healing! Oh, no!
Napanastan ko sila!
Thanks to you!
Dahil lakas niya, men! Wala lang akong power, sinapan niya ako!
Wala lang pala, wait lang!
Umalis ka sa dako.
Ay, sain!
Ah, nagbabounce off yung bala natin sa mukha niya.
Patay niya to!
Ay, Peter, man. Ouch!
Ouch! Na-charge attack niya ako!
Sino may dulas? Sino may dulas?
Healing! Focus power!
Gravity anomaly is getting stronger. Let's see what Cynthia left for us to deal with.
Casey sa Sospitos
Contained
Basic
the
Video!
others of this facility.
He's back, he's back. Saan na yun?
The
Hindi naman siya! Patay na siya!
Esther, you can read the text.
Wala ka mo!
I need my bullets.
Yes, it is very similar to Proto-Indo-European, a prehistoric human dialect.
Ba't wala?
I believe Dr.
Kailangan
Honecker
natin
finds my
security.
conclusions.
Ah,
This
tayo, ano yun ah?
Talaga.
Naka-clash yung bot ko nun ah.
An error.
Yakar, stop though! Stop!
Stop, no. Stop.
Sila yung most careful natin. Ako nga pinaka-hindi nagpe-friendly par.
Double mistaken ako pinakamarami.